Hello everyone, welcome to Subodh EduWorld, the ultimate destination for mastering Microsoft Excel, Power BI, data analytics, data entry, VBA macros and more in 2024. I am Subodh and I am thrilled to embark on this learning journey with you. But before we get started, I have an exciting announcement. I am starting 30 days formula challenge over the next 30 days. We will be diving into one Excel formula in each video. It's a fantastic way to gradually build your skills, and by the end of this challenge, you will have a solid foundations in Excel formulas. On this channel, you can expect in-depth tutorials, practical tips, and real-world examples. From creating complex Excel formulas to unlock the power of Power BI for insightful data visualizations. Whether you are interested in mastering data analytics or automating tasks with VBA macros, we are here to guide you every step of the way. If you are up for the challenge and ready to supercharge your skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's kick off the 30 days formula challenge and learn, grow in Excel together.